Hi, welcome to Well Rounded Momma's YouTube channel. My name's Sherry.
I'm Tiffany.
And we are both homebirth midwives in the Las Vegas area. Today we're going to talk about birth kits. So I think we've done some what kind of things do you need for birth, but I don't know that we ever broke down a birth kit. So every homebirth midwife has a birth kit. Either you purchase it from an outsourced company and it gets mailed to your office, or maybe she gives you a list of supplies that she wants you to pick up and have on hand. Here at Well Rounded Momma, we put our own together just for fun.
For funsies.
We just found it saves our clients a lot of money when we do it ourselves because we can buy it in bulk quantity. And I have repeat clients who are like, I already got a bunch of stuff left over.
Yeah.
Tell me what else I need, right?
Just please have checks pads.
So this is what the kit looks like.
Comes in a cute little box.
Comes in a box. Here's the most important thing for my clients specifically. Don't throw away the box. It's my trash can.
It's my trash can.
You're throwing away my trash can.
I know. That's what I say. I'm like, where's the box?
Everything that is sterile is already wrapped, so you can't do any damage. You have this cute little Ziploc bag. So Tiffany, tell them. So you get this. What is this?
These are your Victoria's Secret 2021 Depends. And they're so beautiful after you have a baby. They make you feel amazing.
But they're so convenient.
But for real, they're comfy.
Because they fit such a wide range of sizes of people. It helps with leaking.
Yes.
And these sides just tear
right off.
So they're amazing. So we put a few of them in your kit. If you want to get more of them, you can, or you can eventually switch to
regular pads.
A larger pad with underpants.
My girls wore them for 5 days, so they bought more.
I've had clients come back to their appointments in them before. You want to tell me what this is?
These are good nights. So these go on your bed. They have a sticky little spot so they don't move. So that is nice. So we put them on your mattress after you have your baby. We usually put a Chex pad over them, but these are nice because they protect your mattress and they're going to soak up a lot. That's why they're called good nights.
Do you know how I learned how to do this?
Consonants.
Gina, if you're watching, it was because you were potty training your kid and I saw these and I was like, where did you get that?
Yes.
Because if you put a plastic mat on your bed under your sheet, it makes you so hot and sweaty.
Ugh, hot.
And what we liked about these, not everybody likes us to take the stickers off to make them stick, but it won't move on you.
Yeah,
whereas the chucks move all over the place.
Oh, this is the most important part of your birth kit.
Vanna.
Most important part. Chucks pads. We need them.
They're human puppy pads.
Yes, that's what they are.
When people are like, how do you keep messes from getting places?
This right here.
If you want more, you're welcome to buy more, but you have a whole pack in your kit. So now to break this down. So we put everything in a Ziploc bag and we actually use this Ziploc bag as well. When we come to your house, we'll take everything out, but there's a couple things in here that you might want before we get there. This is it. This is amazing.
This is a beautiful contraption.
What's funny is as birth
so you
workers,
don't have to use your hands.
We can handle everything.
Yeah.
Poop, pee.
Vomit.
No, not vomit. I really hate handling vomit. It really makes me want to heave.
But these are lifesaver. And you can use them multiple times.
You can
twist them up so they don't smell or anything like that.
I love them.
They're beautiful, and you can wear them as a hat later if you want to.
Tiffany's in a mood today. I'm taking her out now.
So, this is a peri bottle. It comes in your birth kit. It is for you to use after you have your baby. When you go to the bathroom, you rinse off with this. You can put Manuka honey with water in it. You could put a sitz bath herbs mixture in it. You can put just warm water. You can put cool water. Any of those things will help afterwards. There is another bottle that we do carry that you can purchase. They're called Frida, and they are a game changer.
The heads of them, see how this head comes straight?
Angle.
It has an angle.
So you hold it and it goes
So when you're peeing, you want to spray at the same time. I've even used these for when I cloth diaper.
Yeah,
you can use it for so many different things, especially for those first 3 days. You want to spray while you're peeing and pat, pat, pat while you're healing.
This is the magical straw in the birth kit. When I was an apprentice with Sherry, I have to tell you a funny story. The dad is like, what's the straw for in the birth kit? And Sherry, straight-faced, said, it's so you can breathe underwater. And he just goes, really? And her and I both just laughed. Because I was like, no, it's just to drink out of. It's a straw.
People do always ask what the straw is for, though.
They do, and I think it's funny because I say that to them.
I don't
It's
know.
to drink out of. That's
Use
what
your
it
imagination.
is. And they're even paper straws, so we're eco-friendly people.
Yes. The reason why I think a straw is so important is because once you get into active labor, it's nice when you can just go and offer somebody a drink and they can just drink out of the straw.
Yes.
They don't have to think about taking off a top or unscrewing it or putting their head back. They're just taking a drink. It helps.
Yes.
Hydration is good when you're not getting an IV.
Hydration.
You have a trash bag. But we use this just in your kit to throw away all of the stuff that we don't use. We put these biohazard bags in because we put your placenta in the Ziploc bag after we've examined it, and then we put it in the biohazard bag.
And then if you want to keep it or whatever, it's
yours.
You know where it's at.
We have
Gloves.
sterile pairs of gloves. And all midwives carry a lot of these supplies with us, but it's nice to know that they're there at your house so that everything is there and available
Fast.
We have gauze. We use this generally for like postpartum when we're checking to see if somebody needs to be sutured or repaired, or, you know, I've even used it like if, say, somebody has like hemorrhoids and they're pushing and you put a little bit of oil on it or an essential oil. It can kind of help reduce that inflammation while you're pushing. Yeah. So there's a few different things we use it for. This is a cord clamp. We've played with so many different things. We've tried the rubber bands. I've even crocheted a bunch of cord ties. I'm open to doing other things, but at the end of the day, I just like my good old-fashioned cord clamp.
Me too. Don't fix it if it's not broken.
I know. It's just the thing. We also have this in there. This is just a high dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C is really good at preventing infections, so we just like to see a mom drink this before we leave the house. We want to feed you, and we want
make eggs a lot.
You to replace what you lost. Mm-hmm. And so this replaces kind of what you lost. I had a client once talk about emergency, and they're like, it's almost something good to drink, but not. Like there's like a hint of it would be a good drink, but it doesn't taste that good.
Yeah. Lube.
You have lube packs. We use lube for just a couple things. We use them for vaginal exams, and then
The
sometimes
Doppler.
we use it for a Doppler. Most of us carry like a big tube thing of Doppler stuff, but just in the event we ran out, it was just kind of like a backup for lube. And they're good for later, for intimacy, because when you're breastfeeding, you're a little bit dry. You're welcome. What to do with your birth kit items if you didn't use them at your birth. And then alcohol swabs. This is really just to kind of clean off our equipment or if we had to inject something. So not that exciting.
We cloth everything after.
Everything just kind of goes in there, and then this all just fits in this handy dandy little box. And that is everything we put in our birth kit. What's happening in there?
Make sure you put that
You're
in
welcome,
there.
Rebecca.
Make sure you put that in there, Rebecca.
Care for someone.
I have let
will,
someone
like,
vomit in my hands before.
I know.
We've done it. I have to say, I didn't love it, but I did it.
Yeah.
And I smiled and I said it was okay.
Yeah.
Because she felt really bad, but I was like, it's okay. I will do this.
These
for
are
you.
amazing.